I purchased this massage oil for my husband's birthday, and he loves when I use it on him. This one is for sore muscles, and this one is in lavender, which is very relaxing. It also comes with these pumps that you just attach on, very easy. And what's really nice, it comes with this roller ball. And this roller ball is very easy to clean, and you put it on the oil and then you start massaging it into the skin, and it provides pressure and it rolls very easily. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the roller ball, and look how pretty it is. And it just easily glides over the skin. And after use, I use soap and water, and there is a hole here, and which allows it to dry. And this is the lavender oil, and I haven't used this one yet, but I'm sure it's gonna work very well. Comes with 2 pumps, so you could put it on the massage oil. And here is the sore muscle massage oil. It has natural plant oil, arnica extract, and ginger oil. Also 100% organic and natural. And this is what it looks like when you put it on the skin. So as you can see, it is very nice and oily. Perfect. This is a great gift to give any time of year, whether it's a birthday or the holidays or Valentine's Day. This is great all year round. And it's nice that you get 2 bottles as well as this roller ball. I really like it, feels so good, and it's also very easy to hold. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.